Replace the ear tips. Achieving the best fit for your hearing aids is crucial for both your comfort and optimal hearing performance. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ear tip. Inside the box, you will find two types of ear tips with different sizes. Open ear tips allow for better airflow in the ear and provide a more natural hearing. Closed ear tips help minimize feedback and enhance hearing in noisy environments. If whistling occurs, we suggest utilizing closed ear tips or bigger size tips. Hold the hearing aids with 2 fingers. Use the wiper of the cleaning tool to remove the ear tips. Choose the proper size or type of ear tips. The blue ear tips are for left hearing aids. The red ear tips are for right hearing aids. First, peel up the tab of the packaging. Then, hold the hearing aid with your finger. Align the opening of new ear tip with the sound outlet of the hearing aid. Push the hearing aid into the new ear tip until you feel a click. Gently pull the ear tip to make sure it is secured between the ear tip and the hearing aid. If necessary, repeat these steps for the other hearing aid. Once you have your hearing aids on, make sure they are both comfortable and securely in place. If the fit isn't comfortable, repeat the process using a different size or type of ear tip until you find the best fit for you. Thanks for watching.